The dream is simple: money that comes in while you sleep, income that keeps flowing whether you're working, relaxing, or on vacation. It's called passive income, and it's the closest thing there is to financial freedom. The problem? About 95% of the passive income advice online is a complete fantasy, or an outright scam, promising you thousands a month with no money, no work, and no time. That's a lie, and it keeps people broke and burned. So today I'm cutting through all of it and giving you 5 real passive income ideas that genuinely work, based on how money actually behaves. I'll be completely honest with you about what each one really requires, because real passive income always takes something up front, either money or work, and anyone who tells you otherwise is selling you something. There's one idea, number 1, that almost anyone can start with a small amount of money, and it's the most reliable of them all. By the end, you'll know exactly which passive income stream fits your situation, and how to start it. Let's get into it. Welcome to Money Decoded. So let's be crystal clear about what passive income actually is, because the fantasy version is what gets people scammed. True passive income is money that keeps coming in with little ongoing effort, once it's set up. The key words there are once it's set up, because here is the honest truth almost no one tells you: passive income is never truly effortless, it's front-loaded. Every single legitimate passive income stream requires one of 2 things up front. Either you invest money, and let that money earn for you, or you invest work up front, building something once that then pays you again and again. So a better name might be upfront income: you pay the price first, in cash or effort, and then you get paid repeatedly afterward. That's not a downside, it's the whole magic, because unlike a job where you trade time for money once, passive income lets you do the work or invest the money one time, and get paid for it over and over, potentially for years. Understanding this filters out every scam instantly. If something promises passive income with 0 money and 0 work, run, because it doesn't exist. Now that you know the real rule, let's kill the remaining myths, then get to the 5 real streams. Let's destroy the lies that keep people from ever building real passive income. Lie 1: passive income is completely effortless and instant. False: as you now know, it always takes upfront money or work, and it usually starts small and grows over time. Lie 2: you need to already be rich to build passive income. Not true, because the most accessible stream, investing, can be started with a small amount and grown steadily. You don't need a fortune to begin, you need to begin to build a fortune. Lie 3: it's all just scams. The scams are real and everywhere, but that's exactly why knowing the legitimate methods matters. Real passive income absolutely exists, it's just less flashy than the fake stuff. Lie 4: one passive income stream will make you rich overnight. No single stream is magic. Real wealth comes from building streams patiently and reinvesting, letting them compound over years. Every one of these lies is designed to either sell you a scam or make you give up. Ignore them, because the real methods are simple, proven, and available to you. So here are the 5 passive income streams that genuinely work, starting with the most accessible one of all. Here are the 5 real passive income streams, and as I go, notice which fits what you have, money or time. Number 1, and the most accessible, dividend and index fund investing. You invest money into assets like dividend-paying stocks or index funds, and they pay you a portion of company profits regularly, plus they grow in value. This is the closest thing to truly passive. Your money does all the work, you can start small, and it scales forever. This is the foundation for almost everyone. Number 2, real estate. Owning a rental property produces monthly income, though it takes significant money and some management, but there's an easier version, REITs, which let you invest in real estate like a stock and collect income, with none of the landlord work. Number 3, high-yield savings and interest. Simply keeping your cash in a high-yield savings account or similar earns you interest for doing nothing. It's modest, but it's genuinely, completely passive. Number 4, digital products. Create something once, an ebook, a template, an online course, a design, and sell it over and over with no extra work per sale. This is upfront work that pays repeatedly. And number 5, content and audience. Building a channel, a blog, or an audience is slow, but it can eventually earn through ads, sponsorships, and products, while you sleep, and it scales enormously. Money-based or work-based, there's a stream for you. Now the honest fine print. Now the honest fine print, because building passive income the right way is what makes it actually work. First, remember the golden rule, it's upfront loaded, so at the start you'll put in money or effort and see little in return. That's normal, the payoff comes later and grows. Be patient. Second, it starts small. Your first dividend might be a few dollars, your first digital product sale might be one. That's not failure, that's the seed, and seeds grow into forests if you keep planting and watering. Third, the real magic is reinvesting. If you take the income these streams produce and reinvest it, buying more shares, making more products, your streams compound and grow much faster. Don't spend your early passive income, feed it. Fourth, focus on one stream first. Don't try to build all 5 at once and finish none. Master one, ideally start with investing since it's the most accessible, then add another once it's running. And fifth, stay ruthless about scams. If it promises fast, guaranteed, effortless money, it's a trap, every time. Build real streams with patience, and reinvest relentlessly. Now let's get you started with your first one tonight. So here's your first move, and it's the most accessible passive income stream of all. Put your money to work through investing. If you have any money to start with, even a small amount, this is where to begin, because it's the closest thing to truly passive income. Your dollars do the earning, not you. Open an investing account and put money into low-cost index funds or dividend-paying funds, then set up automatic monthly contributions. From that moment, your money starts working around the clock, the funds grow in value, and many pay you dividends, actual cash, just for owning them. And here's the key to making it a real stream: reinvest those dividends automatically at first, so they buy more shares, which pay more dividends, which buy more shares. That's compounding, and over the years it can grow into a passive income stream large enough to genuinely matter, eventually even to live on. You don't need to be rich to start this, you need to start this to build wealth. Even $100 a month, invested consistently and reinvested, becomes a powerful passive engine over time. This is the foundation everyone should have. But if you also have time and skills, there's a second, work-based stream you can stack on top. Your second move, if you have time or a skill instead of, or in addition to, money, is to build a work-based passive stream, something you create once that sells or earns again and again. The most accessible version is a digital product. Think about what you know or can make: an ebook, a set of templates, a guide, a design, an online course, and create it one time. Once it's made, you can sell that same product to hundreds or thousands of people online, with almost no extra work per sale. You did the work once, and it pays you repeatedly. That's genuine passive income built from effort instead of money. The bigger, slower version is building content or an audience, a channel or a blog, which takes real time to grow but can eventually earn through ads, sponsorships, and selling your own products, scaling far beyond what your hours alone could. And here's how you tie it all together: take the income from your work-based stream, and funnel it into your investing stream from move one. Now your effort is buying you money-based passive income that compounds forever. Build it once, sell it forever, and reinvest into money that works on its own. Let's lock in your first step tonight. Let's make this real with 3 moves tonight. First, decide your starting stream based on what you have. If you have some money, even a little, start with investing. It's the most accessible and reliable. If you have more time and skills than money, plan a simple digital product or piece of content you could create. Be honest about which fits you right now. Second, take one concrete action on it tonight. If it's investing, open an account or set up an automatic monthly contribution into an index fund, and turn on dividend reinvestment. If it's a product, write down exactly what you'll create and outline the first step. Third, commit to the reinvestment rule. Decide right now that any passive income you earn in the early days gets reinvested to grow your streams, not spent. Pick your stream, take one action, commit to reinvest. If you do only one thing tonight, set up an automatic investment with dividends reinvesting, because that single move starts the most reliable passive income stream there is, working for you around the clock from this day forward. Start it tonight, and let it compound. So let me leave you with the truth that changes everything. Passive income is not a magic trick you stumble onto, and it's not a scam you fall for. It's something you deliberately build, one stream at a time, with upfront money or upfront work, and then patience. The people living off passive income today aren't luckier than you, they simply planted their seeds earlier and kept reinvesting while everyone else was chasing get-rich-quick fantasies or doing nothing at all. And here's what makes this so powerful: every stream you build is a machine that keeps paying you long after the work is done, which means your income is no longer chained to your time. You can finally break the trade of hours for dollars, and start earning even while you sleep, travel, or spend time with the people you love. That is real freedom, and it's built with ordinary, boring, consistent steps. Invest your money, create things once that sell forever, and reinvest relentlessly so it all compounds. So ignore the fantasies, pick one real stream, and start planting today. Your future self will be earning from the seeds you plant right now. Now, since investing is the foundation of all of this, I broke down exactly how to start, even with a little, in another video. Watch it next. So let's bring it home. Real passive income exists, but it's always upfront loaded. You pay first in money or work, then get paid repeatedly. Ignore the 95% of advice that's fantasy or scam, and focus on the 5 real streams: dividend and index fund investing, which is the most accessible and where almost everyone should start, real estate or REITs, high-yield savings interest, digital products you create once and sell forever, and building content or an audience. Start with just one, ideally investing if you have any money, put your dollars to work and reinvest the dividend so they compound, and if you have time and skills, stack a work-based stream on top and funnel its income right back into your investments. Be patient, start small, reinvest relentlessly, and stay ruthless about scams. Pick one move tonight, set up an automatic investment with dividends reinvesting, and start your most reliable passive stream today. Now here's your perfect next watch. Investing is the foundation of passive income, and I broke down exactly how to start, even with just $100, in another video. Go see it right now. Subscribe to Money Decoded USA. Real money help for everyday Americans, no hype. I'll see you in the next one.